Welcome back. In this lecture, we're gonna work with the clipping mask. So first, let's create an empty layer. Then, let's place it just below the image layer. Then we create a new shape, a circle, using the ellipsis tool. To create a circle with the ellipsis tool, just keep the shift in the keyboard pressed when you create the ellipses. So now we have the circle. To create a clipping mask, just click on the layer 0, the photos layer, then you go to layer and click on create clipping mask. And as you can see now, we placed the image inside the circle and every part of the image outside the circle is hidden. Now we're gonna make the same exercise but with the simpler method. We click on the image layer, then you press Alt in the keyboard and you keep it pressed. Then you place the mouse between these two layers, and when you see this symbol, make one click. And there we made the clipping mask.